Hey, this is Corey.
And Kelly.
And we're Thrush Son, your home
improvement
improvement authority. And today is
Facebook
Live
Live
Friday,
Friday.
like we do every Friday.
Yeah.
So we're just walking, and I haven't really talked or anything like that. But I was just thinking because right now as cold as it is, and it has been, replace windows.
Yeah.
And with our Nobility line, we've got great news. We've got such a quick turnaround on replacement windows.
Yeah.
A lot of companies are anywhere from say 12 to 25 weeks out. We had some wood windows at one time that were 65 weeks out.
Yes.
Our turnaround time, I mean, basically, if you want your windows installed and from the time that you purchase the product, you're looking at 3 to 4 weeks, which is unheard of right now.
Yes, it is.
Because of supply chain issues, we don't have to worry about that. So we're pretty excited about that. So just wanted to throw that out there. What do you have to say about anything? You don't know?
Just stay warm.
Stay warm, yeah. I do have something I have to say. I got 2 things.
Okay.
So tomorrow, 4 o'clock, go Dayton Flyers. We are the official home improvement company, and always look for the dunk cam at the home games.
Yes.
But I'm wearing it right here. Who Day? Who Day? So I'm all excited. You watching the game?
I don't know yet.
Oh come on, Kel. It's Ohio. We're in Southwest Ohio.
I know.
So good luck, Bengals. Bring it home. So, but if you are looking for roofing, siding, windows, patio covers, entry doors, yada yada yada, anything exterior home improvement wise, we have